I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Creating an account on Fiverr is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Visit the Fiverr website. Go to www.fiverr.com in your web browser. This is the starting point for creating your account. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. On the home page, look for the Join or Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it to start the registration process. Step 3. Choose your sign-up method. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Select the method that works best for you and follow the prompts. Step 4. Fill in your details. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your name, email address, and create a password. Make sure your password is strong to keep your account secure. Step 5. Verify your account. Before starting a recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now you're all set to explore Fiverr. Enjoy creating and offering your services.